Hi everyone, it's Tutorials by Noyonima, and today I wanted to share a card tutorial that is perfect for Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, and any other celebrations. I hope you all like the easy tutorial, and without further ado, let's get started. As for materials, you will need some colored paper, scissors, ruler, glue, and a pencil. Take out a paper that will serve as the base of your card and fold it in half. Then using a ruler, mark 9 centimeters from the top. Now from that 9 centimeters mark, extend a line of 7 centimeters. Then using the ruler, mark 20 centimeters from the top, and then extend a line of 2 centimeters. Next, use a pair of scissors to cut through those lines and fold those flaps into triangles as shown in the video. Next, flip your card open and start folding along those creased lines. When you're folding them, make sure you fold them inward so that when you close the card, there is a gap. Now take another piece of paper that is the same color as the base paper and fold it in half. Next, cut those pieces of paper and fold those in half again. Now using a ruler, mark 1.5 centimeters from the top and 2.5 centimeters from the bottom. Then extend a line of 5 centimeters from the 1.5 centimeters mark and 2 centimeters from the 2.5 centimeters mark. Next, cut those lines using scissors and fold the flaps into triangles just like before. You might have to adjust it a couple of times. Once that is done, flip the card open and fold those flaps inward. And just like I said before, you might have to adjust it a couple of times. Now take the other half and mark 1.5 centimeters from the top and 2.5 centimeters from the bottom. And extend a line of 3 centimeters from the 1.5 centimeter mark and 2 centimeters from the 2.5 centimeters mark. Next, use scissors to cut through those lines. Just like we did before, fold those flaps into triangles, and again, you might have to adjust it a couple of times before getting it right. Then fold along those creased lines and fold them inwards. Next, join all those pieces of papers together using glue. Glue the smallest one at the back and then the largest one on the top. If you want, you can also trim down the sides. Glue all sides except for the larger triangle itself. Once you've glued all the pieces together, you might have to take some time and adjust the folding. Once you're done, this is what it should look like. Next, we need to make the stems, and in order to make the stem, you can make it as long as you want, but I chose a length of 5.5 centimeters. And in order to make it, I just stacked a lot of pieces of paper together and I cut out strips that are 0.5 centimeters wide. Next, using the same technique, I just used some leaves and cut all of them out. Here we're using the same technique and making a lot of flowers at the same time. I chose this size, but you can make it as big or as small as you want. You can also make the flowers in a variety of colors. Now, glue the bottom of the stem and stick it on the triangle that is at the back of the card. Now repeat the same thing for every layer. This part is optional, but I decided to give my flowers a bit of dimension, which is why I started shading them with different colored pencils. Now after that is done, you can stick the flowers to the stems. Once you're done sticking the flowers to the stems, you can add in the leaves and also decorate the triangles. I added lace to the top and the bottom and a bow in the middle. You're free to decorate it in whatever ways you want. This is how my card turned out, and this is the front of the card. I hope you guys liked my tutorial, and if you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye!